A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, friends of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, doctors, clinicians, scientists. Thank you very, very much for coming this evening. An evening which is very special to Cadilians, an evening which is symbolic of the spirit, the inspiration of the founding father of this wonderful company of ours, our Indian company, which has the unique status of bringing to India and the world 3 innovations. The only company, a strong privately held company based out of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, founded, as you've seen in the film a little while ago, just after independence, emerged out of the struggle, a mindset of a person, my father, who was challenged and fascinated and driven by the fact that we Indians, we in India, can, at that stage, 60 years ago, make medicines. Because at that time, if we can take our imagination back 60 plus years, everything was imported. We were disorganized. Manufacturing as it stands today did not exist. Agriculture was something that we were learning, relearning. So in that era, Cadila Pharmaceuticals was founded. You saw the journey. But this is so symbolic because it is my father's continuous inspiration which drives the 7,000 plus, in fact it's now 9,000, 7,000 plus Cadilians in different parts of the world, fighting, working together as a team to make the highest quality medicine, to do it in a most efficient fashion so that we are able successfully, as many of you know practicing clinicians, to deliver a Cadila Pharmaceuticals brand medicine at a very affordable price. This is fundamental to the philosophy of the Modi family. Again, ahead of its time, more than 17 years ago, whilst Cadila was producing medicines and selling in India, different parts of the world, and so many other pharma companies of our country were doing the same, we dared to get into a high-risk area of doing innovative research. I still recollect with fond memories when my father and I were talking to each other and were reflecting on philosophy of life and the family. Our hard work and patience and good teamwork of each and every Cadilian had led to successful laurels for the company. And as we were thinking, both of us sitting and chatting, we were saying, what can we give back to society? We said, yes, we are working very hard. We are making high quality medicines. We are not pricing them as high as most of the companies, clearly not as high as global pharma companies. So we really are giving back to society. But what more? And it was at that time, because of my background in research, I dared to think and said, let's commit the resources that the family has and the company, because Cadila Pharmaceuticals is India's largest privately held company. We said, let us use the resources that we have to plow back into research. So way back 17 years ago, we dared to get into innovative research. We worked hard. We were inspired by my father. We were led by him. We had an intelligent group of scientists who worked 24/7. There were many times when we were so dejected and would have realized what a mistake we made. Let's go back to normal business. Stop doing research. We didn't give up. The inspiring force of my father encouraged us in spite of all the challenges that we faced. We also, in spite of all these efforts, hard work, intelligence, focus, patience, and lots of resources, I believe we're lucky. And I would even stretch by saying we were blessed. Because we were the only company in India, as I speak, unfortunately, and this is not with pride, but we are the only company which has brought out 3 innovations. In the innovations in the area of cardiovascular disease, Polycap, innovation in the area of tuberculosis, respiratory chest disease, Resorin, and innovation in the area of cancer, non-small cell lung cancer, Mycidex C. It's not been easy. And so this was also a result and consequence of public-private partnership. As the evening evolves, at the right time, maybe I will share that story, but I don't want to take too much time with the inaugural session. But I want to make a few important points, that all this research was not only Cadilla's effort, but also was a strong collaboration, a public-private partnership with research institutions, scientists, not only of Cadilla, but outside of Cadilla, and the government institutions and practicing clinicians like you. What we also accomplished was another dream which we had, which was that when new drugs come in the world, they are so exorbitantly priced that most of the population cannot afford them. So we said, if we get lucky, and we did, and when we get lucky, and we did, we will make these products, but we will make it affordable and make it available to the common man. And we have stood by that commitment that my father and I had, which is Polycap, Rizorin and Mycidac are affordable drugs, affordable innovations. In fact, in the family we call them affordable miracles. So it is this tremendous trust that we have over 6 decades generated from fellow practicing medical clinicians like you all. It's the trust that you all have in the Cadila Pharmaceuticals brand. It is the respect that all of you have for Cadila, and I humbly salute that respect. I continuously urge you to support when my colleagues, my colleague field officers and area business managers and sales managers come and talk to you about their brands. Please support them, please welcome them, because this is the pharma company which has dedicated itself, spent lots of resources, and has been lucky to bring 3 innovations and is unique as we speak. I hope Cadila Pharmaceuticals will be on top of your mind as we go on, but we have now created a forum which is now operationalized this year in 2014, a platform where we will share not only innovations that we have done at Cadila, but we over time, by the way, this event is happening over this weekend and next weekend in 49 different cities of our country. So in 6 days, 49 different cities of our country are having similar events where we are celebrating Indian science. So in Calcutta, in Jaipur, in Ahmedabad, in Lucknow, in Indore, in Varanasi, in Faridabad, in Amritsar and Bhubaneswar. Today, as we speak, concurrently, most of the places, similar sessions are going on. We are very happy to sponsor this because I believe that in time to come, there will be more Cadilas, there will be more innovations, there will be more innovations in medicine, and we would be clearly proud that we catalyzed this phenomenon. Not only that we can make products in India, not only that we can develop pharmaceuticals in India, but we can innovate in India. So I'm very happy and thankful to each one of you, but very importantly, I'm also very happy to the very distinguished line of speakers who will address us. We will learn a lot from them, and we'll learn their views on how Cadila can participate and strengthen its future innovative pipeline. So I once again welcome all of you. I thank you all for coming, and I now request Dr. Brendan, I think, is going to be talking. So thank you very much.